Hello, it's Rachel Bicker, the Biodiversity Advisor at Gatwick Airport, and I'm here today on an invasive plant species survey along the River Mole. I've just been rained off for a moment, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to make a very quick video about Himalayan Balsam, our most prevalent plant species here. Himalayan Balsam was introduced into the UK during Victorian times. Since then, it's spread rapidly through our waterways. It's a very attractive plant. It's an annual and it reproduces by seed. So if you have a look at the root system of Himalayan Balsam, you can see it's very fleshy, not very extensive at all. It dies completely back in winter, which means you're left with bare soil on the riverbanks, and this leads to a lot of erosion. And then the other issue with this plant is the crazy pressurised seed pods. Ooh. And they can fling the seeds incredibly far. Pollinating insects also seem to love the nectar and pollen of Himalayan Balsam, which is a bit unfortunate. This time of year it's often the only thing they're bringing back to their nests, particularly honeybees and bumblebees. Insects bringing back a single food source every time, that must be a bit limiting in nutrients, and even humans, we don't want pizza every night. You can see this particular worker bee just arriving back at our apiary has a stripe of Himalayan Balsam pollen on its thorax, which is very diagnostic. And I might be reading into this, but I think the guard bee here has had enough of Himalayan Balsam. We can't completely eradicate this plant now from the landscape. It is effectively here to stay. But we can take measures to control it, which is very important for the health of our ecosystems, in particular the plants and invertebrates which flourish here along the River Mole.